How I built my freedom in my 70s. They say freedom fades as you age. I'm living proof that's not true. At 70, I rebuilt my life and my freedom from scratch. Now, I'm not talking about winning the lottery or inheriting money. I'm talking about something deeper: financial freedom, emotional freedom, and time freedom. The kind that lets you wake up every day and decide, this is my life, my rules. Years ago, I was sitting at my kitchen table. Bills were just piled up, feeling super trapped. I'd worked hard my entire life, raised a family, and did everything right. And still, I was starting over. That moment humbled me, but it also woke me up because I realized something. If I didn't create freedom now, no one was going to hand it to me. It just doesn't work that way. So I learned, I failed. I learned again. I discovered digital marketing, automation, and the power of systems that could work even when I wasn't working. It wasn't easy. I had no tech background, but I had something more valuable: grit. Here's what I learned: rebuilding from zero. Freedom doesn't start with money. It starts with this: your mindset. You have to decide that you deserve more because you can create it. You don't need to be 20 or techie or influential. You just need to start and stay. The digital world is the first system in history that doesn't care about your age or your background or even your resume. It only cares that you show up and be you. So if you're sitting there thinking it's too late, believe me, it's not. You can rebuild at any age from any place in the world with what you already have. All you need is the courage to begin again. Here's a question. If you could rebuild one part of your life right now, what would it be? Freedom isn't found, it's built, one brave decision at a time. So you make that choice. And I'm here if you have any questions ever to support you each and every step.